Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install mods on Sims 4. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here is to get mod. You need to get mod. So you just need to write Sims 4 mods, and the Sims Resource, CurseForge, Nexus Mods is really good websites for Sims mods. In this case, I will use a CurseForge. I will download these eyelashes here. So first you need to download mods. So all you need to do here is to go to Files, then press on the particular file and then download it. Wait for a couple of seconds and save it to your desktop or download folder. Once you have on your computer, you just need to right click on it. Then you need to extract all and extract to desktop or whatever you like. Then what you need to do here, you need to put these files to your game. And to do so, you just need to open a file explorer. Then you need to go to, as you can see here, documents. Then you need to look for electronic arts. Look for electronic arts here. Then you need to go to Sims 4 and you should see mods folder. If you don't see mods folder, you just need to right click on it on blank space and then create folder and select mods. Then just select mods, drag folder that is unzipped to this folder of mods, okay? Next step, you need to launch the game and press escape, or just you need to land on the options button here, menu. Then you need to go to game options, then you need to go to other, and then make sure to enable custom mods, content and custom mods is enabled, okay? And script mods also allowed. And then you just need to apply the changes. Once changes is applied, you need to restart the game. And after restart, you should get mods pop up here, and it will show what mods you get. So you just need to press OK, and you should have your mods in game. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.